Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you all the gestures in your SOUNDCORE AeroClip. So as you can see here, we've got the application. That application is called SOUNDCORE, and here you need to tap Controls. As you can see here, we've got left earbud, and we can take a look at audio. Double tap, play and pause. It's the default one, and tap 3 times next. Call, not adjustable, double tap answer or decline, and tap 3 times reject the call. On the right one, we've got play and pause on double tap, next on 3 times, and the same call gestures. That's it, goodbye.